Ninth class student, exercise 12.1. Heron's formulas. First question is equilateral triangle are given. Side is each side of A. Use of Heron's formula. A is equal to A, B is equal to A, and C is equal to A. At first, the find of S. S is semi-parameter of triangle. A plus B plus C upon 2 is formula. All value side of A plus A upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Area of triangle is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C is formula. Value of the S and A and B and C. Under root S value is 3A upon 2. 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A. After under root 3A upon 2, after minus A upon 2, A upon 2, and A upon 2. After multiply 3A after multiply 3A की 4 upon 2 2 जा 4 4 4 जा 16. Under root is under root 3 upon 4 A square. So that is formula of triangle of equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 upon 4 side square A. Then perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle is equal to 180 centimeter is given. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A. All sum of all sides call the perimeter of triangle 180. A is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter is side of equilateral triangle. Then value area of triangle, area of equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 upon 4 side square. Under root 3 upon 4 side we find the 60, then 60 square under root 3 upon 4 into 60 into 60, 15 divide by 4 by 60, multiply by 900 under root 3 semi square is area of equilateral triangle. Question number 2 is a rectangle wall which side are 122 and 120 or 22 same. Second question is sides of triangles. A is equal to let 22 122 semi, B is equal to 22 semi, then C is equal to 120 semi. At first this find the S. A plus B plus C upon 2 is formula. Semi parameter of the triangle called this as 122 plus 22 plus 122 upon 2 after plus 264 upon 2 divide by 2 1 3 2 semi is half parameter of triangle. Then area of triangle is equal to Heron's formula is S bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C is Heron's formula. Under root S value is 132 into 132 minus 122 multiply 132 minus 22 then 132 minus 120 after minus under root 132 into 10 into after minus 1 10 into 12 after multiply first and second, third and fourth. Under root 132 0 into 132 0. After under root 132 0 semi or meter square. Given the side in meters, meter area of triangle board is for advertisement. Rent charge is equal to 5,000 Rs per year. Rs per meter square per year. Rent charge for 3 months is equal to 1320 into 5,000 into 3 upon 12. 3 months upon 12 to make the year. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12 is 0. After multiply 165. 165 3 or 1 40 is charge to be the Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3 is a park side in triangle. Write the green. Keep the park green and clean. Side are given. In question number 3 is side is 11. First side 11 meter. Second side is 6 meter. Then third side is 15 meter. We find the area of triangle wall, sides of triangles. Let A is equal to 11 meter, B is equal to 6 meter, C is equal to 15 meter. At first find the S. S is A plus B plus C upon 2 is formula. Putting the value 11 plus 6 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 22 upon 2 divided by 2 is 11 meter. Heron's formula is area of triangle is equal to under root S bracket S minus A, then S minus B and S minus C is formula. Putting the value of X, S and A and B and C. S value is 11, 15, note a 5, 32, 32 divided by 2 is 16. S value is 16, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6, then 16 minus 15. After minus 16 into 5 into 10, after multiply 800. 800 5, 1 or 2 into 1. After under root 20 under root 2 meter square is area of triangle. Area of painted in blue color. In blue color is equal to 20 under root 2 meter square. Thank you.